Hello, my name is Chris Males. I'm the fire chief for the city of Santa Barbara, and I want to take a minute to welcome you to Station 1. Station 1 is located on Carrillo Street at 121 West Carrillo. It's been here since the 1960s, and as a child, I used to come here during Fire Prevention Week. I have pictures as a toddler cruising around this fire station, looking at all the engines back in the day, and here I am in front of you as the fire chief for the city. We have to do things a little bit differently this year due to COVID. While we'd love to open up the fire stations and have the public come in and see our stations, we have to be a little cognizant of the fact that we're still under the COVID pandemic. So I'll just bring you a brief video message and talk to you about the importance of fire prevention this week. This week's fire prevention message is learn the sounds of fire safety. Each house should be equipped with 2 fire prevention tools: a working smoke alarm and a working carbon monoxide detector. The sounds that those detectors make should be known by everyone in the household. Know what the chirping sound is. Know what a constant beeping sound is. Know what an intermittent beeping sound is. But most importantly, know what to do when there's an emergency. When a smoke alarm or carbon monoxide detector goes off, you should immediately get to your feet, figure out where the problem is, orient yourself, and make a quick exit out of your house. It's important for each and every member of the community to take a few minutes during Fire Prevention Week and spend some time learning more about fire safety. Stay tuned for more fire prevention safety tips brought to you by members of the Santa Barbara City Fire Department.